Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Ram 3500 versus Silverado 3500. We'll dive into their robust engine options, impressive towing and payload capacities, and the advanced interior features each truck offers. Understanding these key differences will help you decide which heavy-duty truck best suits your demanding needs. We'll cover performance, comfort, and overall value to give you a clear picture. The Ram 3500 boasts an available 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel engine, delivering up to 1,075 pound-feet of torque and 430 horsepower. The Silverado 3500 counters with its 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel V8, offering 975 pound-feet of torque and 470 horsepower. For gasoline power, Ram provides a 6.4-liter Hemi V8 with 405 horsepower, while Silverado features a 6.6-liter V8 gas engine with 401 horsepower. These options ensure both trucks deliver serious capability. Inside, the Ram 3500 offers an impressive available 14.5-inch infotainment hub and a 10.25-inch passenger screen. The Silverado 3500 HD stands out with up to 14 different camera views, including an enhanced transparent trailer view for superior visibility. Both trucks prioritize comfort with available leather-trimmed surfaces, heated and ventilated seats, and thoughtful storage solutions like in-floor bins and configurable center consoles. When choosing between the Ram 3500 and Silverado 3500, consider your specific needs. The Ram 3500 offers a maximum towing capacity of up to 37,090 pounds and a payload of up to 7,590 pounds. The Silverado 3500 can tow around 36,000 pounds and has a payload capacity reaching 7,290 pounds. Both are exceptional heavy-duty trucks. Test driving each will help you feel the differences firsthand. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.